tomatoes. $17, $18, 35 varieties of tomatoes at Flat Tack Farm. Mixes of heirlooms, cherries, slicers, Romas, plum tomatoes. We're gonna have a colorful mix. Hey everybody, Kelly from Flat Tack Farm here. We're just gonna do a quick tomato planting 101. So right now is a perfect time to plant out tomatoes. Right now it's May, like mid-May. And when you buy your tomato, you wanna try to actually prune and limit up so that you can actually plant it deeper. Tomatoes have what's called advantageous roots, and so any part of the stem that touches the soil will actually sprout out new roots, and your plants will be a lot stronger and get more nutrients if you plant them pretty deep. So right here we plant into landscape fabric to just help control weeds. It also helps heat up the soil a little bit. And I'm just using a bulb planter to help dig the hole. And we're going pretty deep here. And also wide enough to make sure that the roots have plenty of space to spread. In our soil, we have a mix of compost. You can see that black layer on top. I'm gonna be putting in a little bit of this gypsum and Epsom salt, which is going to help supply calcium and magnesium to help prevent blossom end rot. Here in the Northwest, with all the rain, a lot of these nutrients get mixed out or washed out over the winter. So we do have to, unfortunately, do some supplementation. And it's about 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt per hole. And the gypsum, it varies, but I've been told anywhere from half a cup to a full cup of gypsum per hole. And I just throw that in the bottom. And then on that tomato, we're gonna go ahead and prune off, and I'm just pinching it off with my thumb, all of these bottom branches. That way we can plant it a little bit deeper. It'll also prevent like side shoots from the very bottom, which can be kind of annoying and take over a lot of your garden space. So when you prune that, you can kind of like control that a little bit better. And we'll break up the roots a little bit, toss it in the hole, fill that soil back in. Give it a little bit of a tamp, and there it is. When you plant them, you want to make sure to pinch off any flowers. That way the tomato puts more energy into the root system before it flowers and produces your tomatoes. You'll get a much better result. So we just pinch off that first flower head, and there you go, it's ready to go.